Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know that my previous video was all about face packs for oily skin. This time I have come up with face packs for dry skin as well. But before getting into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the bell icon below and subscribe to my channel. Yes, as I said, that today's video is all about face packs for dry skin. Before that, we should know what could be the possible reasons for our dry skin. First, sun exposure. Second, dry winter weather condition. Third, dehydration. Fourth, malnutrition. Fifth, hot shower. Sixth, genetic. Seventh, if you are under medication. Eighth, if you have any medical conditions such as diabetes and hypothyroidism. Also, the harsh chemicals in the soap also could be the reason. We have all seen all the possible reasons that could lead to your dry skin. For now, let's get into this video. These are the ingredients that we are going to use today. And these ingredients consist of 2 packs. One is milk almond combination and one is curd rose water combination. Now let's see how to prepare these face packs. First, we are going to see about milk and almonds face pack. To prepare this face pack, all we require is some raw milk and some almonds. Now let's see how to prepare this. So now let's add some water into this almond. Now let's allow these almonds to be soaked for around 2 hours so that we can grind this into a paste and we can use in this mixture. You can see that I have ground these almonds into a paste. Now let me start adding milk into it. I have added enough amount, like how much ever I require. You can prepare the mixture according to your requirement. Now let me tell you how to apply this face pack. But before applying any face pack, I want you people to ensure that you have a clean face. Because only with a clean face you can enjoy the complete benefits of any pack that you use. Once you are done with your face wash, you can start applying this mixture in a circular motion for around 2 minutes. Then let this pack stay for around 20 to 30 minutes. Then you can wash it off. To make your skin soft and healthy, you can repeat this for 2 to 3 times a week. Our second face pack will be curd and rose water combination. And this will be our second face pack. To prepare this face pack, all we require is some curd and some rose water. To prepare this, I have taken around 1 tablespoon of curd and let me add around 2 teaspoons of rose water. I'm adding some rose water now into it. I'll add enough quantity. I think this is enough because already curd is kind of this is like not a thick paste. It's already thin, so I don't want to make it watery. I want this to be consistent. Now the pack is ready. You can apply this pack on your clean face and leave it around for 30 minutes. Then wash it off. And I want you people to try this for 2 to 3 times a week to see the possible results. Now let me tell you the benefits of milk and almonds. Milk is the natural moisturizer that consists of antioxidants, vitamin B, proteins and minerals. Also it consists of biotin and it also helps in rejuvenation of your damaged skin, restores moisture to the skin and prevents from itchiness of your skin. Almond is the rich source of vitamin E and antioxidants and proteins also present in it. And it acts as an anti-aging agent that prevents the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines and age spots. Yogurt is a rich source of multivitamins and lactic acid that improves complexion and adds a healthy glow to the skin. It functions as a deep moisturizer that revives dull skin. Lactic acid present in yogurt helps in exfoliating and restoring moisture and hydrating dry and rough skin. Rosewater acts as a natural cleanser that removes oil, sebum, impurities, dirt, and dead cells from the skin. Till now we saw about the face packs that are suitable for dry skin. Now let me tell you about the products apart from face packs that I use to keep myself hydrated. Okay, the first product I use is Patanjali aloe vera gel. Tinchak, 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 tinchak. This when I apply this is like once I'm done with my face pack. After washing it, I take a little amount of this and apply it on my face. And the second is before I go to bed, I wash my face and then I apply this. Second one is Nivea body lotion. This when I apply is one is after shower, second is before going to bed. I feel very soft after using this. Third product which I use is Cetaphil cream. This is extremely good for your dry skin, but mine is not that dry, so normally I use Nivea. But when my skin turns extremely dry due to weather conditions or like any such thing, I use either Cetaphil cream or lotion. But this is little costlier, so I don't use this, and also my skin is not that dry. Normally I use this, but when my skin turns dry, I use this. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you really found it useful, please like, comment, share and subscribe.